Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we bring you the most trusted tech reviews every day. Today, let's talk about a dash cam that's changing the driving experience for everyone who values safety, evidence, and crystal clear footage, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam. Now, this compact camera packs some serious punch. It records in true 4K Ultra HD, 2160p resolution, capturing even the smallest details like license plates and road signs clearly, something most budget dash cams fail to do. You're getting 150 degrees wide-angle coverage, ensuring blind spots are minimized and your entire front view is protected. What makes this model stand out is its built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS. With Wi-Fi 6, your connection speed for video transfer through the ROVE app is faster and more stable than ever, no more lag or waiting forever to download clips. And with integrated GPS, your footage includes precise speed, location, and route data, making it extremely valuable for insurance claims or evidence in case of accidents. The 2.4-inch IPS display offers sharp playback right on the device, while WDR, wide dynamic range, and super night vision ensure balanced exposure in both bright daylight and low-light driving conditions. That means no more washed-out headlights or dark street corners. The ROVE R2-4K also supports loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and parking mode monitoring, so your vehicle remains protected even when you're away. And yes, it's compatible with 128GB microSD cards, allowing hours of high-quality footage. Real-world users love the ROVE app, available for both iOS and Android, where you can instantly download, trim, and share your recordings. Plus, firmware updates keep improving performance, showing ROVE's dedication to long-term reliability. If you're someone who drives daily, travels cross-country, or just wants an extra layer of protection, this dash cam is a must-have. It's compact, affordable, and filled with premium-grade features that rival even higher-end models. Buy the ROVE R2-4K dash cam on Amazon, link in the description, and protect your journey with 4K clarity today. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for daily honest tech reviews.